Luis, when we started this series, quite some time ago, I know that many people out there weren't really aware of all the different ways that blockchain can be used in aviation. And if people were even involved in blockchain, they were thinking of cryptocurrency, or they were thinking of NFTs being pictures that were on the internet. And I think that we've understood so many different ways that the blockchain and NFTs really can be used going forward. Let me ask you this. What's the roadmap for your product? Where does your product go next?
Well, as I told, we have a modular approach. So we are currently have 3 models working, marketplace also working. And the roadmap is to build all all the models, that the remaining models. Then is to bring up industry to use this. We want very much that the industry starts using this solution. We see a lot of value in it. The people that are working with us already, the industry that are working already with us, they already take advantage of the properties of blockchain. And what we want to do is to help aviation to be more reliable, less costly, and more profitable for everybody, because this tool allows to do just that.
Yeah, I would agree with you. I really like the idea of how you've brought together so many different pieces of blockchain technology into this solution. Like I said at the start of the broadcast today, is that you're using Web3 technology by using blockchain, and you're using wallets, and you're using NFTs, and all the different features and aspects that come with that. I really think that it embodies many of the different things that we've talked about, for weeks now.